How to make money from Fiverr affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about how you can use Fiverr affiliate marketing program and earn money through it. So in order to make money through Fiverr affiliate program, you have to join the Fiverr affiliate program if you haven't already. So for that, you have to click on the join now button at the top right corner of your screen. And here on this page, you have to fill in the application form in which you will require to fill in your basic information like your first name, your last name, your email address, and brief description about how you plan to promote Fiverr. And once you fill in all these details, just click on next, and you have to wait for the approval for Fiverr to review your application and get back to you once your application get approved. And after that, you will get your referral link. Once your application is approved, you will receive a unique referral link that you can use to promote Fiverr services. Then all you have to do is just start promoting Fiverr. You can promote Fiverr services through your blog, social media channels, email newsletters, or other marketing tool. And once you are done linking the affiliate referral link to your different social media tool or on your blog post, you can earn commission by promoting any Fiverr services through the unique referral link that you have generated through the affiliate program. You can track your performances and check your earning. So basically, there are three types of commission plan that are available with Fiverr. One is CPA commission, the other one is hybrid commission, and the last one is revenue share commission. So let's briefly see how each one of them works. So the CPA commission is a qualification for each user who is considered first time buyers, or FTB. The first purchase from each customer is payable, and the hybrid commission on the other hand is a combination of CPA and a revenue share. And revenue share is, for example, an X% of order value. So these are basically three types of commission plan that are available with Fiverr affiliate program. So as you go ahead and build your community and place your referral link deliberately on different sites. So this is basically how you can earn commission on Fiverr affiliate program through your referral link that you will post. So that is it for this video. So I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.